Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and click the notification button for more update. What a sad way to end the day. It has been said that Solemuhulu has passed away. In a post written, it says, "Dear Solemuhulu fans, it with a great sadness that we are informing you on behalf of Molokwani family, that is Solemuhulu's family, that our beloved legend Solemuhulu has suddenly passed on." The statement reads, according to the statement, the gospel singer passed on today's while listed in hospital. Solemuhulu was hospitalized after falling ill following his pre-album launch tour in Botswana. He will be sorely missed. May his laughter continue to echo the walls of heaven. Let us remember him fondly for the healing music he gave us over the years. The statement further reads, the family also pleased for privacy and time to mourn the passing of Ntate Solemuhulu and prepare for his burial. Details of the memorial service and funeral will be shared in the following days on Solemuhulu official pages. So guys, we all know Solemuhulu. Everyone wants to say because may his soul rest in peace. We love him, and we love him, and we all know that setlhare sa lehu ke go se amogela. May Solemuhulu's family find the strength to overcome these challenging times. May his soul continue to rest in peace. We love you, Tate Solemuhulu.